Hi, Jeff here at Oceanbotics. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a thruster on the SRV-8. So, on the side of the vehicle here, you see where the thruster is connected. Today we're going to change thruster number 0, first thruster up front. Simply grab the connector, slight pull, and remove your connector from the socket. Take your 3mm hex driver that's included in your spares kit. You have 2 screws on the top. Simply remove these screws. That's it. You have a small nut that's recessed on the bottom. One nut. I'll set those aside. Okay, there are your bolts. Now simply slide the thruster out, so, and there you go, one thruster out. So to reinstall the thruster, reverse the process by coming from the front, slide it into place, a little snug, and then on the top, you just line up your holes and then reinsert your screws. And replace the nuts on the bottom and tighten with your hex driver. You want to ensure they're finger tight. And then the last step is to reinsert your connector. Simply slide it back into the frame, push it together, and make sure it's a tight connection. And that's how you change your thruster on the SRV-8.